Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Jaguar remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to press this button here, which releases the catch, and we can remove the emergency key fob blade. Now what we need to do is we need to remove this chrome cover here and this chrome cover here. So you get your small flat-headed screwdriver and just get underneath it in the corner. And be careful because they are quite fragile, and just prise them away from the fob. And then again on this side. Now we need to split the two halves of the case. So you get your screwdriver in again, in the corner, and just split it. Try and be careful because there is some fragile stuff, and also the locking pin at the bottom there that we don't want to disturb. And there is your key fob battery. We just get underneath it and remove it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing is facing downwards on this one, and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. Try and be very careful not to disturb anything. Make sure everything lines up. And just click it all back in place. And now it's time just to pop the chrome trims back on. They do go on a certain way. So like what I've done is I've set them out on which side they go on the fob at the which ends. So it's just simply just clicking them back into place. And now it's just time to pop the blade back in. And there you go, it's all done.